Okay. What's up, animal lovers? And today we are going to be cleaning a mouse cage and a rabbit cage. The rabbit. Okay, now back at me. Hi. Now, anyway. So, as you can tell, the mouse got a new cage because of my mother. If you want to see the mouse, he's actually right there. He's stuck. Yeah, he's in his ball. Okay, so we're going to clean him real quick because he only has 4 minutes inside of his ball left, and we kind of have to go crazy with this. So now I don't know how to get this open because there's a tunnel over here. And oh, there's one side. Yeah, I got to take the tunnel out, blocking its way of opening. Yeah. Hey, we're back. So, now we can... Is this blocking it? Is this blocking it?
No.
Okay. So we got him a couple new things since last time. A little spinny thing. His food. And a cute little house. And don't say, oh my god, it's pink. Well, I know. Now, I need to find a garbage bag.
On top. On top the sink.
Oh, my bad. Oops. Oh, hi, mouse. Okay, Mom, pause it.
I'm getting him rolling.
I don't have enough storage. Help me. Help me. Oh. And now we're back to round 2. Okay. We're using this big bag because I'm cleaning Cyrus's cage too, so I kind of have to do both. So now you're probably wondering, Kylie, oh crap, why are you doing this? Well, technically because one of you people wanted me to. See, 2 people reached out to me. 2 different people reached out to me. That's Dusty. And they asked me, they said, can you please show us how to clean a mouse cage and a rabbit cage? I'm like, you know what? Access granted. Now, basically, all you want to do is you want to get like a wet paper towel with like a scent that you know that won't be that bad. I usually use like 1 little tiny drop of like Dove. Oh, it's time for him to get out. Crap. Where's the ball? Oh my god, Toralike quit torturing the mouse! Quit being a butthead. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put this thing on my mom's shirt. He has to get out of here. He's not supposed to be in here. Socket. Okay, anyway. So I usually use a little bit of Dawn. Because there's a cute ducky on it. So you know it's animal safe. Anyway, I don't know if it's animal safe, but he's not dead yet, so... Yeah. Okay. Pause it. That smells really... Oh, wait. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my. Anyway, this thing is really, really dusty. I don't know if you can see it from here. Get a close-up on that. It's, like, really, really dusty. So, yeah. Okay. And basically all you do is wipe it out.
4 minutes, 8 seconds.
Oh, crap. Hold on. I forgot this part. This is his top part. This isn't on every single cage, so you don't have to worry about this part. Yeah, he doesn't even poop in this part. Okay. Never mind. He does. You know what? This is not important right now. I'll clean that later. Okay, so this is the point where you'll be adding the bedding. So, you get the bedding. Oh, Jesus Christ. Seems heavy. Let me guess, this isn't open yet, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Oh, hi. Now, this is where the part where you add the bedding. Now, I feel like some people... Yeah, I'm not doing that. That's just too... You know what? Fine. You know what? I make a mess. I'm sweeping the floor anyway due to the fact that the bunny will make a mess. You can pause this. What? And then you just put the top back on.
Gotta put stuff back in it.
Oh, yeah. My bad. Okay. But who wants to see me put stuff
Now
back
you're
in?
blocking it.
Exactly. I don't want no one seeing it.
What?
They don't have the same stuff we do.
So?
Mom, just quit ruining my video. It's my video, not yours. Get out of it. Okay. That was filming, wasn't it? Are you serious? Stop! It's called...
Okay.
Oh, hold up. Now, this next part might get a little bit messy. Yeah. So basically, here's Okay, here's Cyrus. Okay, whatever. Now anyway, here are the things you'll need to take care of a rabbit. You're gonna need something to put them in. If you don't have nobody else holding your rabbit while you're cleaning it, you need to grab something else. So we're gonna have this carrier today. We'll put him in this little carrier. Now we got him a rabbit pen house, so this clean might be a little bit long. So I'm not gonna show the entire clean, but you're gonna need something to hold your rabbit in. You're gonna need a scooper, unless you're gonna do it like me, and we're just gonna completely just take down the entire thing. Get out of the box! No, anyway. And yeah. And then you need somewhere to place its food and stuff. And then literally afterwards, you're gonna see me give the rabbit a bath. What is the mouse doing? Oh my god. Ah! He wants to play ball. Okay. Pause it until I'm ready. Oh, yeah.
We had an oopsie.
I meant it when I said we did have an oopsie. So technically, we didn't record something. So basically, if it's like big like mine, just get a trash bag. Where was I?
You need a bag and dump it in a bag.
Oh yeah. Okay. So basically, if you have something this big, just get a big trash bag and just do it. If you don't have a trash bag, then scoop it like a normal person. Anyway, next step is you want to do the same thing as you did the mouse. You want to get something that you know is good scent for them, for the animal, and for you, and just get a wet paper towel. We used to have wipes, but I don't know why we haven't got them yet. But
We ran out?
yeah, we ran out like 3 months ago, so I've been using a paper towel ever since. Ow. Okay. So basically, you just do the same thing as you did the mouse. You just get some soap on this, some water, wipe it down. Might take a couple paper towels, and then dry it off. And I'll see you after I do that. We're recording now. Now time for the bedding. Was that recording?
Mm-hmm.
Go away!
We gotta put a couple in there before you turn it off. Show them.
That's Caitlin.
Wave. Wave. Say hello.
No thanks.
Okay. Now start putting it on. Okay, we're back. As you can see, I finished without you people. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how to give a rabbit bath. Oh wait, no. Actually, I'm gonna do it in another video. So I'll see you guys next day whenever I'm free. You know what? This sucks. Okay. See ya.